A beautiful front yard doesn't always require complicated landscaping. In fact, some of the most impressive homes use simple combinations of evergreen shrubs, colorful perennials, and low-maintenance plants placed in the right locations. These foundation plants help soften your home's architecture, add seasonal beauty, and create a polished landscape design. Boxwood has been a favorite foundation plant for American landscapes for generations. Its dense evergreen foliage creates clean shapes and provides structure throughout the year. It works especially well around entryways, windows, and pathways because it maintains a neat appearance with regular trimming. Hydrangeas are one of the most beloved flowering shrubs in American gardens. Their large blooms instantly add charm and color around a home's foundation. Many varieties bloom throughout summer, making them perfect for homeowners who want dramatic flowers without complicated maintenance. Japanese Pieris brings an elegant woodland feeling to foundation landscapes. Its evergreen leaves, spring flowers, and attractive new growth create interest across multiple seasons. This plant is especially beautiful near entrances, where its delicate details can be appreciated. For year-round structure, Dwarf Hinoki Cypress is an excellent choice. Its soft, textured foliage creates a sophisticated appearance while staying compact. It works beautifully in modern landscapes and Japanese-inspired gardens. Lavender adds color, fragrance, and a Mediterranean feel to front yard landscapes. Besides its beauty, lavender is drought tolerant once established, making it a great option for homeowners who want a lower maintenance garden. Many homes have shaded areas where flowering plants struggle. Hostas are one of the best solutions for these locations. Their large, textured leaves create a lush appearance under trees, along foundations, and in areas with limited sunlight. Coral bells are valued for their colorful foliage. Their leaves can range from deep purple to bright green, adding contrast even when flowers are not blooming. They are perfect for adding detail to smaller landscape areas. Inkberry Holly provides evergreen beauty and a naturally rounded shape. It is a reliable choice for homeowners who want structure without constant pruning. It also works well in landscapes designed to support local wildlife. Knockout roses change the way many homeowners think about roses. They offer abundant flowers with less maintenance than traditional roses. Their long blooming season makes them excellent for adding color near entrances and walkways. Ornamental grasses bring movement, texture, and a modern landscape style. They look beautiful when planted alongside shrubs and create interest even during colder months. A beautiful foundation landscape is not about filling every space with plants. It is about choosing the right plants that complement your home, provide year-round interest, and create a welcoming first impression. Which of these foundation plants would you choose for your front yard?